ready to turn 100 years in 3 years, and we're proud of that. Expect to continue. We're very competent people.
The mission is to connect the people that make things with the people that use things. Companies like ours that are experienced, professional, long-term relationships in the market so they can help bring their solutions to the people that really need to see them.
We go to our end users to learn to listen. What they see every day, what challenges that they have.
I think we make a very good team. 4 of us worked well together for a long, long time. The relationships that we've cultivated throughout our territory, throughout our lives. And just the expertise that each of us bring, and I think we mesh really well as a company.